Hi, I'm Eric Gobler, the president of the El Camino Homeless Organization, located here in Atascadero, California. The interesting thing about the homeless organization here is that we're always looking at ways to reduce costs. Adding solar to our facility has always been a dream, and the reason is we spend over $7,000 a year in electrical costs, and we've been looking at ways to reduce that. So the savings that we have will then be applied to other things that we do at the facility. And of course, the most important one is caring for the clients that we serve. The process through Solarponics was incredibly simple. They did all the structural analysis for us in advance and handled all the permitting. It was very clear through the process what our savings might be. The installation was as smooth as an installation could go. I'm happy to report that the shelter has had no energy bill. So we're hoping that in 6 years, what we have spent on the system will be paid for, and the years following that will be just gravy. We're thrilled to have this new addition to the facility, and so far it's gone very well, and we're very appreciative of Solarponics and the part that they have contributed. So if you'd like to learn more about the Echo Shelter, the best way to do that is to go to our website, echoshelter.net. You can check out, there's phone numbers on there, staff members that you can contact. You can even see a little bit about the facility.